guys, this is Groovy Noob here. We're doing a little Nerf battle. I'm really talking fast, really fast. So yeah, we're just gonna.
Back gaming here, right there.
We're doing some Matrix, like not Matrix, but like we're dodging pretty sick. So I'll be up there. Let's see if I can do this. Right there, up by that stairs, and then he's gonna be right here. So
Right,
you can't see all of it.
I'm using this
1
bad
second.
boy. This thing is like a boss.
It's one of the old-fashioned pistols. I don't know the name of it, but
It's like
you guys, that's a little bit better.
So he painted it out, but if you guys recognize it, just leave a comment below. And
Wait
this
a second,
thing,
guys. I want to see if this works even better. So. Got a little dubstep playing in the background. Okay, here we go. You guys can see that really well. Alright, so you guys are going to sit there. There we go. So, we're good. Using the Recon, and the Barricade RV10. So, yeah. Here we go. Ready? Go. Oh, I'm out of ammo. It's 3 kills. Jesus, that was close. You guys unfortunately can't see over here. Oh! Did you see that? Did you guys see? I jumped to dodge the dart in desperation of duty. Jesus! Oh! Did you guys see that?
it was so embarrassing.
He's a good shot, but I'm a better dodger.
You should have seen it, guys. I was on the couch, he was spraying me, and I was squirming like a worm.
It was so funny. Okay, I'm good. Go. Whoa! Oh, crap. See that dodge? Did that hit you, Marcus?
No, we dodged like at the same time.
Oh, you guys should be seeing these. Whoa! Oh, did that hit you?
No, I dodged it. I look up, and there's a bullet flying in my face.
Oh!
Guys, the best way to
Have
make
fun.
an enemy go away is shoot in their direction. That's how you make an enemy. Oh, frick! Bounce off the couch.
One of those hit you.
Some of them.
Yeah, one of them hit you.
No, they all bounced off the couch.
Last bullet, guys. That whizzed past.
I seen it.
You seen it?
very important. That is what you call marksman. Right there.
You get it, Marcus? Marcus.
I knew what you did there. Come say hi to the camera. Alright, stay tuned for a part 2.